Again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy On Demand, our small repair division. My brother and I got a group of about 30 guys running all over Metro Atlanta fixing stuff. And if you're a homeowner selling a house in today's market, it gets a little bit crazy. And what I mean by that is we're out today in a home in Alpharetta that's scheduled to close this week. And our seller called in a panic that the appraiser came out and found some repairs that he wanted fixed before they would agree to close the loan. And here lately, it's been interesting, but we're getting anywhere from 3 to 5 of these calls a week. Half of our business is real estate agents, so we're dealing with this stuff on a regular basis. For you as a homeowner, you might sell a house once every 5 or 10 years. We're involved in 10 of these transactions a week at Handy Andy. So we've been doing it for a lot of years. This is kind of a new trend recently in the last year or so with these appraisers. We've done 3 of these in the past week. And so this one is a really nice home in Alpharetta. And there's not a lot here. And so all we're looking at is exactly what the appraiser is requiring to close this loan. So right here, we've got an angled piece of 5/4 corner board right here. And it kills me because this homeowner just had a different contractor do some work here not long ago. And he just kind of put caulk into repairs. And that's what this was. This was rotted when he painted it. And he just put some caulk in here. And for some reason, the inspector poked it, mostly because he saw this mold growing out of it. And he saw some sap coming out of the top of it. So we'll get up above here, make this cut and repair and angle it out so it fits. And the guys will back prime and seal it. People ask us all the time, what do we use for materials? And we're still using wood on most of our repairs, unless it's something unusual. And fortunately, we've got master carpenters on staff. So that's an angled piece of 5/4 board that they'll make on site here out of a piece of wood. And then they'll back prime and seal all 6 faces of the wood. And so it won't ever rot again. The inspector noted that the bottom of this sill right here is rotted. Again, not sure why. Part of it, he just had that little piece pulling off and the corners rotted. So we'll replace this piece right here. It wasn't on his list, but it just kills me that it wouldn't be. So we'll toss this one in for free. But the corner of this door to the inside is rotted. So the guys will fix that little brick mold while they're here and not charge the customer. And then it's going to be kind of hard to see it from this angle, but right above me up here, see the bottom of that chimney right there? The right bottom 5/4 board is rotted, it's doubled up. And so again, we'll route that out, we'll cut out the bad stuff. We're like little dentists. We get in there, we cut out the bad stuff until we get to good wood, make a 45-degree weather cut, back prime and seal the replacement piece, and then it'll never rot again. So if you're a customer of ours and you get these things, we try to slide them in. We're forever juggling work around, so sometimes we make customers unhappy that we can't get to theirs in the time that they want us to, but we try to do the best we can for everybody. We're a very unusual company that we do a little bit of everything. So anyway, it's me and my brother and a group of good guys. We do everything from kitchens to basements to handyman repairs. We still hand paint houses, believe it or not. We build arbors like the one you see over there on that deck. Lots of siding repairs, lots of deck work, lots of inspection repairs. You name it, we do it. We're at 770-912-2829. I'm Andy. I'm a 4th-generation contractor. We've been running here in Atlanta for 28 years, which is crazy, but we have. So anyway, we will see you at the next house. Sometimes you can get me directly at 770-265-9017. Bye for now.